We will be preparing beetroot salad today. I bought half a kilogram of beetroot, peeled and cleaned it. Let's now chop it in pieces. Let's also grate 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and leave it aside for now. I am now adding the chopped beetroot to a liter of water in a pot. I am leaving it to cook until it softens. I am now transferring it to a mixing bowl and adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil to it. After that, let's add the grated garlic to it. After squeezing half of a lemon on it, let's mix it. I am adding salt to it. And after that, it's ready to go on a serving plate. Beetroot salad is quite nutritious. I hope you enjoy this recipe.